Hello, I'm Riona Adarsh. Now I'm studying in Amatra Academy in grade 9, and today I'll be showing you how to make a density tower. Do you like to join me? For this experiment, I'm using dishwash, colored water, and oil. First, I will be pouring dishwash. Now I'll be pouring some colored water into it. And last, I'll be pouring some oil. Now you can see there are 3 different layers that are formed. As you can see, the liquids have different densities and have formed different layers. Now, I will be pouring some more water. You can pour the liquids in any order as they will form their own level. As you can observe, the liquid with the highest density, that is dishwash, has settled at the bottom, while the liquid with the lowest density, which is oil, has formed the topmost layer. Now I will be dropping 3 different objects into this tower. They are key, a bottle cap, and a tomato. First I'm dropping the key, now the tomato, and last the bottle cap. As you can observe, the key is the most dense, so it settles at the bottom. The tomato is less denser than dishwash, but it's more dense than colored water, so it settles at the joint of dishwash and water. And the bottle cap is the least dense, so it floats on oil. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned about different objects and their densities. Stay tuned for more videos.